Rain has cleared out. Most of the clouds are gone. Well, sunrise was 7:16 this morning. Saturday, April 8th. 7:20 a.m. I wanted to quickly show you how the light is falling into this area. What's happening is that I've trimmed the trees above it. Here, you can see these that have been chopped. That one, that one, that one. In order to create this hole above it, that hole is where the light falls through onto the beds. I'm going to show you the direction of the sun. That's west. Now, on March 21st, the sun rises over there, behind the house, and there's huge shadows halfway across the yard. And from March 21st until June 21st, it moves this way, the sun. And so that shadow gets smaller and smaller and gets closer to the house, and that's what reveals the cactus garden, and this area, which is mostly in shade during the winter, becomes very sunny again. Now in the sky, what's happening is the sun, which did this all winter, it went in an arc that way. That arc is now going to move as the sun moves this way. So that arc will now go like this. All right, so what happened here was these trees, which are all designed for shade, this is a very hot and dry place. They'll provide canopy shade as they're supposed to and dappled light for much of the garden. This end of Bob Murray 2, for example, can be used for roots or other kinds of things that need less than full light. But if you look above, that arcing sunlight is going to fill the hole that we've made in the trees to allow the sun to fall straight down onto the beds. Bob Murray 1 will be full of light. The ends here of Bob Murray 2 and Bob Murray 3 will also be full of light. And what we'll do is take advantage of that. The sun moves from March 21st all the way down over to the other end of the yard. And it'll start coming up over there. And when that happens, boy, the sun will come straight through here. And in the summer, we'll have a really good growing area. Now, this is what happened this morning. This little jerk, look what he did. Not good. Well, we're going to need to get in here and do some thinning soon. All right, so that's at around 9. This is the dappled light coming through the trees before it goes over the house, okay? So there is some morning light here. That means that we have to not cut off this side. Now, if we did a three-way protection around the back and that side and this side, if we did a three-way protection and left this side open, that might be one way to proceed. And then after the morning hours, we could have a fourth side. That one broke. It needs something to wrap around. Alright, it is 2 minutes until noon, and today it went partly cloudy, so this footage is just from dawn till noon on a day when it was partly cloudy, and we're going to use it as a comparison for later dates, and also the last still shot of this video will be exactly noon, okay? And so at exactly noon today, which is Saturday, we'll have a photo, and then every day at exactly noon, we'll take a photo, and that'll give us a good monthly time lapse.